From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the heat is on. Taking a look at our drone cam this afternoon, we have partly cloudy skies, occasionally mostly cloudy, but enough sun out there to, boy, put the heat on. There you got the blue sky. And notice the cumulus clouds, not much vertical growth in those clouds, so high pressure dominating, and we'll have that for another day tomorrow. So another mostly sunny to partly cloudy hot day with not much in the way of showers and storms as we remain under the influence of this ridge of high pressure that's putting the heat on across Texas, Oklahoma, what we showed you earlier, heat temperatures pushing 110 or more. And then we have this ridge of high pressure, a little bit of a weakness in the atmosphere, but the axis of this weakness is pushed off to the east. But after tomorrow, we do expect a little bit more weakness to work its way southward into the region, and that should spark off a better chance of afternoon showers and storms starting on Thursday, with maybe even better rain chances going into Friday. So we will see a change down the road. Big picture across the lower 48, we have some severe weather threats going on across portions of Minnesota. You can see that low pressure system there right along the U.S.-Canadian border. Elsewhere is relatively quiet with the best scattering of storms over toward Atlanta and Florida as you get over toward Jacksonville and the Big Bend of Florida. And locally for us, just some of those high clouds coming in, moving in with those cumulus clouds. And as we scan all the Doppler radars across the area, we are just seeing most of our activity where it normally fires up, even on the driest of days around Lake Pontchartrain over toward New Orleans. Meanwhile, locally here, just a few showers, pop-up showers, not a whole lot going on. You can see one shower moving out across the basin north and east of Verdonville, and then we'll move it on over and we'll see this other shower here just to the southwest of where anybody lives, but should be moving into portions of St. Mary Parish. Maybe a lucky few getting a cooling shower, and it won't last long, and after the shower is done, you know what happens. It just turns into a sauna when the sun comes back out. Big story is the heat advisory once again for tomorrow from 11 in the morning till 7 o'clock in the evening, with heat indices up to 111. And new today, Lafayette, St. Martin, and Acadia, Jeff Davis Parish in that heat advisory criteria. Enough breeze down by the coast and temperatures and dew points and humidities, and thus the heat index not quite at 108. That's the kind of the benchmark. You got to be better than 108. And also have temperatures at night right around 80 degrees for a low, and we're meeting that criteria right now. So overnight tonight, generally fair skies, warm and humid. Temperatures starting out near 80 tomorrow, then back into the mid-90s. Not much shower activity showing up across the area. Once again, maybe eastern Louisiana. And then going into Thursday with the daytime heating, we're going to see scattered showers and thunder showers forming up late afternoon. Doesn't look like much, but we'll go 30-40%. Then I'm not sure. The graph model getting a little frisky here Thursday night into Friday morning, but we will see a better coverage of showers and storms, we think, certainly as we head into Friday. Temperatures near 80 to start tomorrow. That heat index starting out near 90, and then tomorrow afternoon, mid-90s the high, with that feels like temperature way up there, pushing 105 to 108. In fact, here's the heat index going into tomorrow afternoon. Just about everybody, 103 to 108, pushing 110, 111. Watch Alexandria may get close to 110 at times. And then the same on Thursday before the showers and storms kick in, taking a little bit of an edge off that heat. And again, prime time, 10, 11 in the morning till 7 in the afternoon, and these are the heat indices that are forecast for the northern parishes of Acadiana, and we're getting those big high bar numbers there, just about as high as it gets in the summertime around here. Now, late tonight, early tomorrow morning, after 2 a.m., you'll have Jupiter leading the way for the moon. Jupiter is nice and bright. Saw it last night. It was closer to the moon last night. Mars will follow about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, and if you're up at 5 or 6 in the morning prior to sunrise, you're also going to see Venus showing up, and that's the bright morning star you see in the sky before the sun rises. So a little thing to look at if you're out late at night or early in the morning. 79 the overnight low tonight. Tomorrow we'll get it up to 95 for the high. At heat index at least 108. In spots is going to be hotter than that. And then as we move into the 10-day forecast, there's your better chance of afternoon showers and storms Thursday, Friday. The weekend looking okay. A few storms, not quite as hot. Next week initially hot, but maybe a little bit of a tropical wave mid to late next week with an upper level low that could bring back better rain chances.
So who's going to be up between 5 and 6 to see Jupiter?
Not me.
That would be not Jim and I, maybe you.
That would be me.
There you go. Tell us how Venus looks in the morning.
I'll
okay?
do my best.
Okay.
All righty. Thank you, Rob.